Now, in this part, contraction joint spacing LC we are going to see LC how to calculate. Now see, understand, this is one contraction joint and here another contraction joint. Okay, this is in between a expansion joint. Okay, somewhere expansion joint come here, somewhere expansion joint will come here. So these are the two smaller lines what we have seen, no, here. These are the two smaller lines. Okay, these things we are calling it as a contraction joint. Okay, now when you come to this problem, it will depends upon the width of the slab, that is we generally call it as B, width of the slab, and LC by 2 is half of the contraction joint. Like the problem is there. Whenever contraction is happening, there will be frictional resistance of a subgrade which is resisting the contraction. See, slab is contracted. Here, the frictional resistance is opposing the slab value. Okay, slab's contraction. Okay. Now, when this contraction will come? Contraction will come when there is a setting of concrete during the fresh state. Okay, or during the winter state. Now we have two formula. When PCC is used, means what? This total slab is no reinforcement, it has no reinforcement. Another case when reinforcement is provided in the slab. Okay, there are two types of cases. Now in the first case, when PCC is used, the contraction joint spacing is given by this formula 2 SC divided by W into F into 10 to the power 4. It is value is coming in meter. Its value is coming in meter. Now what are these value? LC equal to spacing of contraction joint in a meter. In meter. SC allowable stress in tension in concrete. So this is the value of concrete property. Okay, whenever PCC is used, concrete property has to be taken. SC allowable stress in tension in concrete, that is 0.8 kg per centimeter square. Generally we take it like this. Okay, now what is W? Unit weight of concrete, generally we take it as 2400 kg per meter cube. Okay, like that. What is F? Frictional coefficient, generally we take it as 1.5. Now when RCC is used, formula is changed. LC equal to 200 SS AS divided by BHWF. BHWF. Now what are these value? This SS. Now there is no small c. It is in S. So that should be in steel, for steel property. SS is allowable tensile stress in concrete. Okay, previous one which was there, allowable stress in tension, but for concrete, here it is for steel. It is for steel. General value 1400 to 1750 kg per centimeter square. Any values can be changed. Generally given in the question, otherwise you remember this one. Area of steel, what is this? AS, this parameter AS. Area of steel, which is in centimeter square across the slab width, means for this value, not in this direction, it is in the this direction. Okay, so now here what will come? Towel bar, whatever the bars will come, no, this bars, the spacing is calculated. The spacing between next to next, one bar, second bar, third bar, four bar. So gap between this bar will come. Okay, like this bar, one bar, two bar, three bar will come. So these are called as dowel bars. So this is spacing you need to calculate. This is spacing you need to calculate. Okay, like that. Okay, now per meter width, this spacing will be there. Yes, small s will come, and this total will be there. And for every 1 meter, how much is the area of steel? For every 1 meter, how much is the area of steel? That is AS. That is AS. Okay. Now can see here, area of steel across the slab width. Across the slab width. B is what? Width of the slab in meter. Now you understand, width of the slab in meter. Now what is this H? Height of the slab. It is called as height of the slab. in centimeter. In centimeter. Now there is one problem. Determine the determine the spacing between contraction joint. Determine the spacing between contraction joint for 3.5 meter slab. 3.5 meter slab having thickness of 20 centimeter, f equal to 1.5. Now if you see this one, this b is here 3.5 meter and height is how much? 20. 20. See here, it is in centimeter, it is in meter, it is in meter. You understand this one? Okay. Now remaining things they have given like this. For plain concrete, one formula. For that you require SC. Where is that? Here, no? This SC for PCC they have given. Okay. For reinforcement concrete, they have given the dia of the bar and their spacing is given. Dia of the bar, spacing is given. Okay. Now this dia is given, spacing is given. To calculate AS, there is a formula. To calculate AS, there is a formula. AS is nothing but there is a this one, width divided by spacing. Width divided by spacing. Width divided by spacing into area of one bar. Area of one bar. Okay. Now how to calculate this area of one bar? Pi by 4 this d square. Pi by 4 d square. Okay. Now if you see this one problem, without reinforcement, calculate LC for plain reinforcement concrete. For plain reinforcement concrete without steel, you assume W 2400 kg per meter cube. How to calculate spacing of contraction joint? LC 2SC WF into 10 to the power 4. Very simple. 2 into SC is given as 0.8. This is SC. This is 10 to the power 4, same value. W unit weight and frictional coefficient. So whatever unit you are putting here, no, the answer whatever comes, no, it is in meters. It is in meters. Okay. Now like that. Now in this there is a in this there is a RCC provided. So first the last formula is this one only. In this SS is given, B is given, H is given, W is given, F is given, AS. This AS is not given. AS area of steel per width of the slab. Okay. How to calculate AS? We have understood the previous one. No? This is area of one bar. Area of one bar. Pi d square by 4. Area of one bar. This is what? B. This is what? Spacing. Okay. So in the question, what they have given? In the question, 1 centimeter dia at 0.3 meter spacing. At 0.3 meter spacing. Okay. So that is why B is given, 0.3 meter spacing is given. Now see here it is in centimeter. Lengthwise data are substituted is in meter. Okay. Lengthwise data are substituted in meter. Here it is pi d square by 4 AS, area of one bar, small AS. So area of steel coming how much? 9.16 centimeter square. 9.6 centimeter square. Now spacing between contraction joint, direct formula 200 SS AS BH WS. 200 SS tensile stress allowable tensile stress in steel. Okay. Area of steel 9.16. This is B. This is H in centimeter. You remember, H in centimeter. This is unit weight of concrete. This is frictional coefficient. Okay. This is in centimeter square. This is in centimeter. But width is in meter. Width is in meter. You remember these points. Okay. 8.72 meters. 8.72 meters. Okay. Answer.